How do you improve your scar? Well, I'm Dr. Barrett, I'm a board certified plastic surgeon, and scars are my worst enemy. Okay, so in addition to a lot of surgical technique, which is kind of beyond the scope of this video, there's a lot of things that you can do as a patient afterwards to improve the appearance of your scar. Number one is you want to protect your incisions. I like to use silicone strips that actually protect the incision, and they also apply a silicone pressure onto the incision and scar as it's healing to minimize the scarring. So there's a lot of papers that show the efficacy of silicone and silicone compression on minimizing the appearance of scars. There's a lot of burn surgery research that I've done into this. So I developed my own silicone strips to be put on after cosmetic procedures or any type of operation where you have a scar. Once it's healed, check with your doctor, but you can put a silicone strip on top of it and it will help protect the incision and minimize the scar. There's studies that show this. So if you're interested in checking this out, you can check out our Scar Shield strips at Barrett Recovery. You can click the link in the bio for more information. Thanks so much.